Hello,
Say hello, teacher.
teacher.
Hello. What's your name?
My name is Bella.
Hi, Bella. Put your hands on the table. Are you happy? Yes? Yes. Okay, how old are you, Bella? Hi.
I'm 5 years old.
5 years old. Very good. All right. What color is this, Bella? Color? It's
It's white.
very good. Do you like red? Do you like red? Yes, I do, or no, I don't? Yes, I do. Good. What food do you like?
I
Cow.
like
Cow? Do you like cow? Food. What food do you like? I like. Do you like pizza, hamburger, or spaghetti? What do you like? Chicken? What food? I like
pizza.
pizza. Wow, I like pizza too. Yummy. No, 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 no. Okay, are you ready? Yes, all right, let's start. Bella, look at this. What is this? What is it? It's an.
It's an umbrella.
Good job. Next.
It's a can.
Hat.
Hat.
Hat. Good. Next. What are you wearing? I'm wearing.
It's
I'm wearing.
a jean.
I'm wearing.
It's a boot.
Good. Very nice, Bella. Next, I'm wearing. Say, I'm wearing.
I'm wearing dress.
I'm wearing.
I'm wearing t-shirt.
Okay. I'm wearing.
I'm wearing shirt.
Great job. Yay. How's the weather? It's
It's sunny.
good. It's windy.
It's windy.
It's windy. It's
It's snowy.
snowy. Next, it's
Windy.
rainy. Yay. Good. How are you?
I'm happy. I'm hungry.
Hungry. Next, I sleep.
Sleepy.
Good.
I'm happy.
Yes, great. Next, ja. What's the sound of letter ja? Can you choose ja t-shirt or jaguar? Ja.
Chocolate.
Yes. Great job. Next, ja raccoon, ja juice or ja robot?
Chocolate.
Uh-oh. Ja
Soup.
juice. Yes, not ja raccoon is raccoon. Ja juice is correct. Next, rock jellyfish or rocket. Rocket is correct. Good job. Next, rock jacket or rock rice. Louder. Rock.
Rice.
Good, Bella. Good. Next, say the commands. Look. What's number 1? Take off.
Take off the shoes.
Take off your shoes.
Take off the shoes.
Your shoes.
Your shoes.
Next.
Put umbrella in the bag.
Very good, Bella. Next. Put on
Put on cap. Put on your cap.
hat.
Put on your hat.
Next.
Take on the
Zip up.
zip up the jacket.
Zip up your jacket. Okay, what's that? Look at, what's that? Clouds.
Cloud.
Okay, clouds. Next.
Rainbow.
Good. Next.
Tree.
Trees. Next.
Paper. River.
River. Good. Next.
Rock.
Rock. Good. Next.
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Yay! Woo! Say goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, teacher.
See you again, teacher. See you again.